Okay, so hey guys, welcome to my channel where 90% of the time in the beginning of these videos I look like a crackhead, but that don't matter because at the end I'm gonna pull it together. Just bear with me. But yeah, it's basically like a tutorial today. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do your wigs the lazy way, like me. You see, I didn't cut the cap off, I didn't take my cap off, I didn't do anything. All I'm doing right here is taking this wig, and I actually made this wig myself. If you guys want a tutorial, I'll show you guys how to make a wig. And I took soap, water, and I just scrubbed it so it's clean now, see? But after I scrubbed it off, you guys are gonna get these little flakes, like flakes of glue, and I just took a comb and just combed these out, And underneath this wig cap is actually no braids. That's how lazy I am. I pressed my hair out because I have curly hair, and I just threw it on. There's a perimeter braid in the back, and I sewed the cap onto the perimeter braid and used the ball cap method. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, and I'm gonna jump back in a second. Okay, so now I was just trying to figure out where I want the lace, because I wanted it to lay really cute, because this is a lazy version once again. So I didn't redo the cap, didn't do none of that, just put the thing on my head. And basically I'm going around my hairline. Like, this is pretty self-explanatory, just go around your hairline, and I do 2 layers. But do not put this on your edges. I literally go around the perimeter of my hairline, because I'm not finna, even with the got to be glued, I'm not finna play with y'all like that. But yeah, and then this is the 2nd layer, I think, I hope so. But yeah, I literally just dot it around, and I thin it out with the end of a rat tail comb, or like any little thing like that. That's like a comb I use to bleach my hair. Just push it out, and I just do the perimeter. But now about these wigs, honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, these wigs, they can really thin out your edges if you let them, because there's so much tension and weight on the front perimeter of your hairline that it causes tension, like especially if you have braids. But underneath these, I don't even have braids. I just used a cap, and my friend Bruce actually told me this, which is so smart. Like, all I did was, my hair is straight under here, but I have like curly hair, and I just pressed all my hair out, and I literally just slipped the cap on, and I did the regular ball cap method with a perimeter braid in the back, like so the wig has something to hold on to, and I tucked the rest of the braid around. But yeah, the rest of the steps on this tutorial are pretty like self-explanatory. I literally just keep dotting it around with 2 layers, and I just thin the product out like that with the rat tail comb. And yes, that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep rambling during this tutorial. I'm probably gonna come back a little later when I get to like my edges, because it took me so long to do it, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back in because I don't want you guys to make this mistake how I did. So you see how I'm pulling the lace down, you know, I'm letting it settle in, right? You're supposed to let the lace settle in before you go in and spray with the freeze blast. That's where I messed up. That's how that side started lifting again, because it wasn't completely settled in. Now the right way to do it would be to wait till the glue is completely dry, like literally when you yank it, it's like not gonna move, and then go in with this freeze blast and just, you know, smooth it out, move it around with like your fingers, make sure they're clean, because the oils in your finger will make the lace lift. And yeah, it'll really help like keep it together and make it look more natural after, you know, you finish doing it, like you finish gluing it down. It'll look a lot more skin like. Okay, so this is also a part where I messed up, but I literally make mistakes, so you guys don't have to. You guys can learn from me. Now, this wasn't a mistake. All you have to do is put the ghost bond on the end of the rat tail and put it underneath the flappy parts that are lifting up. Now, the reason I made a mistake is because if you put the glue farther than where the hairline is, it will literally, like, you will literally see the glue. You see the shiny part right there that I messed up on? That was a piece, and it's like people see that when it dries up and it's not cute, and it's really hard to get off. So I literally had to sit there and scrub the shiny, see that, the shiny part of the glue off for like 20 minutes. It took so long. I had to edit a lot of that out because it was just too long to show you guys, so I'm just gonna tell you. But yeah, try not to do that. I would rather you guys put a little bit, don't put a lot on there, and let like little flaps hang up and stuff, and go back in with the rat tail comb and fix them as you go. Don't mess up like I did, because it's really hard to get it off. Or you can do a method that I learned when I first started doing my frontals. I just take like a eyeliner pencil, and I literally line up where the frontal's gonna lay. So I put the glue behind that, which I'm probably gonna start doing again. But right here, I literally just sprayed the brush, and I'm combing everything back so my edges are like out the way. And then I cleaned up my hairline, because that makeup that I had put on my hairline to make it more natural got on my face, and no. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna do my edges to finish up the video. Now, I don't cut my edges in particular. I don't cut them anymore, because I learned with these frontals, when you make the baby hair in the edges and you cut it, the baby hairs always fall off. That's why right there it seems like I have like bald spots a little bit, because I actually ended up cutting a lot of it before when I did in the front, because it was thinning out, which is perfectly normal. But I don't cut my baby hair anymore. Preferably, I just try to use like the hair that's already in my head, the long pieces, and just swoop them back as best as I can. The ones that don't act right, then I cut those, like on my sideburns and stuff. But yeah, all you guys have to do is, you know, swoop your baby hair, you know, get it together. I use the Ebin New York 24-hour edge control, and I also use the Style Factor. All their flavors smell so good. You guys, please go get that edge control. People sleep on the edge control. Like, please go get it. The Style Factor, like, I have 4 of them. I have the grapefruit, the other ones like orange and stuff, and they smell really good. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna finish up my edges. I cut as I go, once again, with like regular scissors, and cut downwards, like, and don't cut across. Literally just scrape the scissors around the hair and it'll just come off, so it looks a little natural. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. It wasn't even really a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys, if you're lazy like me, how you can do it without having to rewash your hair and all that extra stuff. That's probably bad for me, but I don't care. So I'm gonna let you guys finish the video. Thank you for watching. If you stayed this long throughout the video, and I'll see you in another one. If you want to see something else, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna try to be as consistent as possible with you guys. But yeah, thank you.
me to be her man. I trust baby over you. Baby, I will never lie to you. I'll be careful.